Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of the Paper Mache Frankenstein series. On this video we're going to be working on extending the head because, so as you can see, the heart is pretty close to where the thunderbolts are, and there's too many thunderbolts and we can't see the detail inside. So I'm first going to end up breaking some of these thunderbolts off and seeing if that helps open up the visibility inside. If that doesn't work and giving me the look that I want, the next step is going to be to expand the head by anywhere between 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches to give me that depth I'm looking for in there. And right there is where I think of about where I'm going to stretch it out. So that's like about 1 inch, you see. So that, and the light's probably going to end up moving a little bit further. I'm going to have to extend this, the floor, the bottom, I guess let's just call this the dark zone, the basement or something, and extend that and make some spacing. But first, as you guys can see, my desk is a mess with cables and I'm tired of the cluster that's here. So I went ahead and I ordered some more shit off of Amazon to help me get my desk situated better. So let me show you what I got to help me organize. Go ahead. Knife safety, always close it up, guys. Extension cord looks like. This is the main. Whoa.
So the first thing I went and did was try to remove the light. I tried to do this as carefully as possible because obviously I already painted the inside. After some pulling and some scraping, I was able to remove the light. I used the cable inside to let me judge the distance that I'm gonna put on the floor and the basement area. So one of the reasons I wanted to show you what I bought to organize my desk was because I was going to use a cardboard that comes with it so I can make the floor and the basement on the bottom. Always try to recycle your cardboard, guys, for other things. There's enough trash in the world. After that, I cut another piece out, cut them the exact same shape and glued them together to make the floor and basement. Be careful with the hot glue, it'll burn you, but we ain't no bitches here. After that, I used that distance to determine how much spacing I was gonna need. So anytime I get a box that's interesting because of how thick it is, I end up keeping it just because I know that later on I could use it for something in my craft. I went and dug out this white piece of cardboard, and I'm using this to cut out the spacers I'm gonna use. So here they are. All I'm doing now is measuring how big they are and also shaping them to the shape of the head all the way around. And here's a quick look at how that looks. I also worked on the cabinets themselves to help them fill out a little bit more and not have that shadow hole in the back of them. Here's the back of the head. Me just attaching the floor and working on the side so it could get completely filled in. I also made some spacers to help the floor not be so droopy. And that's about it, guys. I have a pretty busy week this week. I have tons of schoolwork, and that's all I was able to do. I'm sorry for the short episode, but I'll make it up to you guys in the next one. Please subscribe, watch another video. I'll see you on the next one.